Let me go in front of you guys.
Don't get me.
Darla, where are you? You're at the Rainforest Cafe? We're going to the fishies.
Go to fishing. See them, Darla? Get the fishies now.
You see fishies? Cool. Those are cool fishies.
Fishes, think about a fish.
Your Chiffon.
Look at the fishes, Darla. Come on, let's go at the other one.
Go in, because there's other things. There's butterflies in that tree.
See the butterfly, Darla? Let's go at the number go. Let's go.
I think that's a home over there. Hey. Don't go real close. Show this up, come on.
We shoot videos like that. Now what? Now what? Excuse the
Feel
video.
like you've got a place real damn feeling and everything.
No, I love you much. What is it?
Ja.